the recent development in Goa that some of the MLAs are asking to implement a club policy in the coming assembly. As a Sarpanch, as a stakeholder, I want to stress on certain things about a club. First of all, Goa is a natural destination for tourism and never been a club destination or a capital. जे आमचे लोक गोंया पळय येता तो आमचे गोंयच्यो बिचीस द वॉर्मथ ऑफ द पीपल द क्रुझीन आमचो कल्चर पळोवपाक गोंया हे आमचे फेमस जाल्ले हे हिपी टायमासून वी वॉन्ट द पीपल टू कम टू गोवा टू एन्जॉय द फूड लायव्ह म्युझिक इन द रेस्टॉरंट वीच कॅन गो लेट जेन्ना आमची काजारांक 10 बंद जाताय जेन्ना आमकां आमची काजारां आमचे गोंयचे जे ट्रेडिशन आहा ते बंद जाता जाल्यार हाव कम we should allow this kind of come to enjoy the beauty. They come to enjoy the natural the beaches. हे pub culture तरी दिले आणि जेन्ना आता पंचायत should be deciding what we want, what we don't want, what the village people want. And strongly I oppose the club policy. We want quality tourism. We want people to come to Goa to enjoy their stay, relax, go to the beaches, sightseeing, and make sure they go back home with good memories.